Welcome back to the Weather Center. We still have sunny weather across the bulk of South Africa with much warmer afternoon temperatures countrywide compared to what we saw on Monday. However, we have a lot of fog building up along the west coast, and we are also going to see cloud moving in later on this afternoon. On Wednesday, rain and showers are forecast across the western parts of the country. So we still have clear skies dominating the weather across the bulk of South Africa, but fog is already building up along the west coast. Then over the southwestern areas, we have this rather weak cold front pushing in a bit of cloud into these parts of South Africa. So it's going to be mostly sunny and pleasantly warm for the rest of your Tuesday across the bulk of South Africa, with the big winds allowing things to warm up nicely across much of the interior. It's going to be foggy and cloudy later on this afternoon along much of the west coast. Then on Wednesday, we are expecting sunny skies across the eastern parts of the country. It's going to be partly cloudy for the central sections with a chance of isolated showers in these areas highlighted here. Light rain is forecast for the west coast and adjacent interior, but more intense rainfall is forecast for the southwestern areas, particularly in the evening when this cold front makes it onto these parts of South Africa. We have a warning for high fire danger issued by the South African Weather Service across the northeastern parts of the Northern Cape. Crispy blue skies are forecast for you in Bloemfontein this afternoon. Lots of sunshine, allowing afternoon temperatures to easily make it to around 20 degrees. We are expecting mostly a northerly airflow across much of central and western South Africa. Light northeasterlies along the east coast and moderate southerlies are forecast for the Cape Peninsula. Afternoon temperatures are going to be pretty comfortable across much of South Africa. Highs in the lower to mid-20s across KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to stay mild in Gauteng, Johannesburg making it to around 19, 21 in Pretoria. Highs in the lower 20s are forecast for Mahikeng and Kimberley. It's going to be fairly warm for Appington, reaching a high of 25. Cooler over the southwestern areas. Cape Town will just make it to around 17 degrees. We are going to stay with the very cold overnight temperatures around Sutherland, where a minimum of around -4 is expected. It's going to be freezing for Bethlehem. Johannesburg will drop to around 3, 5 for Pretoria and Polokwane. A bit warmer as we go towards Richards Bay and Durban. We are expecting minimums below 10 degrees for East London and Port Elizabeth, and Cape Town will drop to around 10 degrees. Sunny skies are forecast for your Wednesday over the northeastern areas. A small chance of showers around Bloemfontein, and light rain is forecast for the west coast with more intense rainfall forecast around Cape Town. On Thursday, we are going to see wet weather spreading into much of southern South Africa with snowfalls forecast around Sutherland.